There has been a steady influx of electric scooters over the past few years, but electric motorcycles have been less than a trickle. Now Tork has been one of the first to promise us an electric motorcycle, and the wait has been a bit too long. But now the Kratos is on sale and we are riding it today. Let's start with the design first. Tork says that the Kratos has been designed with convention in mind and to help it appeal to a wider audience. The smartly designed panels do remind us of a conventional motorcycle, and if you park it in a lineup of 150 to 160cc motorcycles, you'd take some time to locate it. There are two variants on offer, the standard Kratos and the Kratos R. We rode the hotter R variant. The panels are well put together, but plastic finishes range from impressive to disappointing. The LED headlamp and tail lamp looks and feels premium, but quite a few components feel like they have been built to a cost. Even the digital instrument console feels dated and offers limited information. It does get app-based navigation, geofencing features and ride analytics, but you can only access them through the app on your smartphone. Other features are 3 riding modes, including a reverse mode. We did face trouble with mode selection, but given that the bikes we rode were not production models, we expect these issues to be ironed out soon. The Kratos R gets a bigger 4.5 kW electric motor that delivers 9 kW of peak power and 38 Nm of torque. The bike maker claims that the Kratos R can go from 0 to 40 kmph in 3.5 seconds. Riding the motorcycle, we found the performance to be comparable to other 160cc motorcycles. Claimed top speed is 105 km per hour, and the Kratos R does get to the 90 kmph mark with ease. In eco mode, the motorcycle lacks initial pickup and takes time to get up to speed. In sport mode, however, there is instantaneous power available on tap, and we spent most of our time riding in that mode. Riding in sport mode did drain the battery quite a bit. Its battery pack offers a claimed real range of 120 km, but as we rode it in a hilly section, the range dropped quite a bit. The battery pack seemed to heat up too. Out in the city, riding in eco mode, we expect a realistic range of 80 to 90 km and 60 to 70 km in sport mode. The Kratos R supports fast charging with up to 80% charging possible in 60 minutes. Using a home charger, the batteries can be fully charged in 4 to 5 hours. The Kratos is quite easy to ride. With both brakes accessible through the hand levers, it almost feels like riding an electric scooter or a conventional scooter even. It feels light and nimble to ride, with a slightly forward bias due to the battery pack. The Kratos handles well and feels sure-footed around corners. That said, the suspension is stiff enough to make the ride jarring. You feel every pothole through your back, and we feel ride quality is an area Tork needs to improve on. In the braking department, it gets disc brakes at both ends. ABS has been given a miss, and both variants of the Kratos feature CBS brake assistance instead. The brakes offer a strong and progressive bite, and we did not miss the lack of ABS. At Rs 1.32 lakh, which is ex-showroom and with subsidies, the Tork Kratos is priced slightly higher than other premium electric scooters or slightly above other 150 to 160cc motorcycles. But then it offers a unique ride experience and is way more affordable to run too. The claimed range of 120 km is acceptable, and Tork says it is in the process of setting up fast charging networks, which should help curb range anxiety. Overall, the bike looks promising, and we hope to see other electric motorcycles come to our shores soon.